Hi, I'm Alex from RC Geeks, and today we'll be looking at the Blade Inductrix. This is an FPV craft that comes ready to run from Horizon Hobby. As this is a ready to run package, it comes with everything you need to get in the air, including the craft, controller, batteries, and the 4.3-inch screen for the FPV. Here we have everything out of the box, from the screen to the craft itself, including batteries, controller, the screen holder, and the USB charger, including the LiPo. Here we have the USB charger and LiPo battery. It's a one cell 200 mAh and should give you 3 to 4 minutes flight time with a half an hour charge. To charge the LiPo, simply just insert it into the charger and plug that into a USB. You'll see a little red LED turn on, and then once that turns off, you know it's full power. To build up the controller is slide the holder over the antenna, tighten all the screws and bolts, and then just clamp the screen in. To turn the transmitter on, all you need to do is insert the 4 batteries that are included, then flick the switch. It's as simple as that. Then to get the FPV system working, the button on the side, all you need to do is slide that down. Then it will turn on and you should see your live feed. The monitor itself is powered internally, so you don't run off the 4 AA batteries. To charge it, simply plug in the mini USB that is included. Once the transmitter is on, to turn the craft on, simply plug it in from the back with the battery charge and take off the lens cap. This is a Mode 2 transmitter, which is common in the UK. On the left stick you have your throttle, which is up and down, right and left, which is your rudder. On the right stick you've got your up and down, which is your elevator, and left and right is your aileron. To fly the Inductrix, it's really simple. Once the craft is turned on, make sure the throttle is down to the bottom. Once it's done, simply throttle up, the motors will spin, and then just use the right stick to move it forward and backwards where you want the craft to go. Once you've done that, you can use the yaw to spin it. It's really that simple. Like with any craft, there are pros and cons to it. Some of the benefits of the Blade Inductrix are that it's ready to run, meaning that it comes with everything you need to get flying. This means it's very inexpensive compared to some other FPV racing craft. Despite the size, the Blade Inductrix is very robust. Having the built-in prop guards means that any crashes or anything like that means the blades are protected. This means it's great for flying indoors or in tight enclosed spaces. If anything does happen, parts are relatively cheap, meaning that you can get extra frames, canopies, and other bits and bobs like that. However, with the Blade Inductrix, there are also some disadvantages. Having only one battery means that you only get 4 minutes flight time. This leads on to the second disadvantage. Having a half an hour charge time means that there's a long wait between flights, meaning that you're limited on your fun. To overcome both of these, we recommend you get extra batteries and additional chargers, so you get more flight time. There are hop-ups to suit all budgets, from different colour canopies to a full carbon fibre frame. If you're tired of the 4.3-inch display, you can always upgrade to something like these Fat Shark Dominator V3s. They give a great first-person view, which everyone craves in the FPV racing scene. For an upgrade on the standard controller, you can always go for a Spectrum. These offer unrivaled ergonomics and extended range. Here at RC Geeks, we're huge fans of the Blade Inductrix and recommend it to anyone wanting to get into FPV. From beginner to intermediate to even to expert, this is a great little craft for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you want to find out more, follow us on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, or visit our website at rcgeeks.co.uk.